Here's how to install Google Analytics on WooCommerce quick and easy. First thing you need is your measurement ID from Google Analytics. Jump into your account, hit admin down at the bottom left, then click data streams. Pick your website stream and grab that measurement ID that starts with G-. Now you'll want to get the right plugin installed. Head to your WordPress admin, go to plugins, and search for Google Analytics for WooCommerce. The official one from WooCommerce is what you want here. After you activate the plugin, go to WooCommerce settings and click the Integrations tab. You'll see Google Analytics listed there. Just paste in that measurement ID you copied earlier. Here's the nice part about this plugin. It already knows what e-commerce events matter: purchase tracking, add to cart events, checkout steps, product views. All of that gets turned on automatically. Your store starts sending useful data to Google Analytics right away. Hit Save Changes, and you're basically done. Enhanced measurement in Google Analytics is already running, so your data stream picks up everything without you needing to toggle settings. Testing this setup takes about 2 minutes. Open an incognito window, browse your store like a regular customer, add some stuff to your cart, and go through checkout. Then check the real-time reports in Google Analytics to watch your test session show up.